Hello everyone, today's video I'll show you this power bank. See this battery, the battery just swallow up and e swallow like as if one explode. You see, it's too swallow. So what, I don't have this kind of battery for market. So the best thing I will be able to use for this battery now is to use lithium battery to replace this one, because that's the best thing. So watch me as I do this lithium battery. So I want to set my lithium battery now, put it in order. If you're not watching me, you are missing a lot. Watch me so that you're able to learn some things for this tutorial. So just watch me and everything will be okay. Watch me and you will learn one or two things. There's no knowledge that's wasted. This is the plus, the positive side, and this is the negative side. So what I will do, I will join the three together, put it in a parallel connection. Make as you dey connect this thing for parallel, make sure say the battery na parallel connection, not a series. If you connect this battery in series, the power bank will damage totally. So as e dey so, na parallel connection, negative to negative and positive to positive. So you see I solder it, and you solder the other side also. This has a positive connection. You see all the three battery, they are in parallel. That's how I connect it like that. Make sure your soldering is very hot, then you will connect the three battery. Once you do so, you know that you are doing a good job here. Like my own now, my soldering, due to this power of a thing, it's not that hot, but I'm managing my soldering here. But I'm just trying my best to solder things well and do it accordingly. So I will solder my battery back as usual. Then as I don't finish this work like this, I'm done with this soldering. Then we'll just make a neat at least. You cut that cut am comot. Make sure say the battery neat wella. As the battery don neat like this, now to test am now. Make I see how strong the battery be. It's not about the voltage you test the ampere, the ampere of the battery, whether it's strong. But make sure you use flexible wire like the way I dey use now. I make sure say I use tiny wire, I use very tiny to test am. Normal, that battery is okay. You see, after e bring a little spark, I for use meter, but meter can just give you voltage, but the ampere of the battery should be test manually, and that's how I test am. Now look at, I connect the red, a positive and black to negative, so that you're able to identify wetin I connect there. Then this battery I will just remove am completely. Make sure say e no dey for the body again. You see, the car is swallow up. Remove am jare. So now connect this. I will just use my battery now. Then I will just connect the board also. This is the power bank board. So it's to positive and negative. Make sure you know that differences. But if you want connect am for board, make sure you know that you connect red to red and black to black. So this one na positive side that they connect to. So this one, that is black one, is negative. So first of all, I use this solder to melt the surface, so that if you want to solder the wire, we just go smoothly, very easy. Then you go for the wires, you see, and you will solder your work very easy. Normal soldering. Then make I test the board to see if light enter the board. Okay, that means the battery side is working. So now wetin bring this light come outside be this. So I want to use my charging point. I will use my charger to test. Oh, remove that USB cord. Change and now USB cord to see maybe the panel is charging. Okay, it's charging. Anytime you see light blinking, don't know that it is charging. That is, the panel is working fine. That will make the light is blinking. So it's charging. So I'm almost done with the power bank. But still, let me see test how to charge other items by using this power bank, or use the panel, or connect my USB cord and charge something, any gadget, or use it to charge any gadget to see maybe it's actually working, so that you need to confirm your work very well, so that make you no be like say na go come dey do work. So I'll connect it for this panel now. So now to test am now remain now for this one. So let me see that if it charge gadgets to see. So you just to connect it and see. Let me look for any gadget nearby. Okay, I think it's mine. So that's something can able to charge it. Okay. Wonderful. This pan is working fine. See, it's working. Wonderful. See the result where I get. Right? So if you follow this way now, then you don't need to throw your power bank away. Just change the battery. Just know that your battery is okay. You can, if you don't have the same type of that battery, you can use lithium battery to work your power bank, and may still give you results. It depends on the power bank anyway. So now this is how I package my battery. Make sure that the battery, you package it so that there will not be any slight mistake. You see, I arrange it very, very tight. Thanks for watching anyway.